So we've got a hot dog bun, and they finally started selling Duke's Mayo up here in Wisconsin. I found it at Super One. So if you guys are around Superior, Wisconsin, and you want to try it out, Duke's Mayo. Totally, just, I've been told for a long time that this is just way better, and it is. And I found out why. It's because they use bacon grease instead of vegetable oil to make this. It's delicious. Really good on deviled eggs too. Hey everybody, welcome back to Coupe Grill. Today we're doing a fun take on a classic sandwich, right? Grilled cheese hot dogs. My goodness. So we're going to start out with our hot dogs. I've done other videos on this. We smoked our hot dogs because that's our preferred way of having them. Since you're going to be using a Blackstone anyways, you can definitely cook them on a Blackstone or however you want to cook your hot dogs. We're not going to get into that. But what you do with them afterwards is where we're at right now. Okay, so start out with your hot dog bun. We're going to put some Duke's Mayo on it, and we're going to brown that, toast that. We've got some shredded Monterey Jack cheese here. We've got some butter because we're going to toast the other side of the bun. And Mr. Grill is a little spicy, so we're going to put some jalapenos on hers. And of course, we've got the hot dogs. Now, you can use anything you want to dip these things in. If you want to dip them, you can have them just the way they are. You could, classic ingredients, like ketchup, mustard, whatever. You could use a queso if you wanted to. That would be really good. With our grilled cheese sandwiches, we typically go with tomato soup. So we're going to do tomato soup with our grilled cheese hot dogs. See how that is. Here we go. All right, so we've got the mayo on our bun, and we're just going to brown these things up, toast them up. Okay, so our buns have been browning. Look at that.
Oh, they're golden.
Yeah, they're golden. That is perfect. I got a little bit more here. It's got to cook. We'll just leave that go for a few more minutes.
Oh, yeah, that's perfect.
Right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
That one's ready.
Oh.
And that one's ready. Must be higher on this end. We're going to start out with the shredded cheese. Put that there. We're going to do Mr. Grills here first. I'm naturally spicy, so I don't need to inject myself with these peppers. What?
Okay.
Right?
I'm pretty sure you're the sweet one.
Put your hot dog right in the middle there.
Yeah, you do.
And we're going to put some more cheese over top. We're going to put a little bit of butter down on our grill. And that's going to toast up the back sides of these buns. Right?
Woo!
Look at how beautiful these things are.
Gorgeous.
Right? Now, if you guys haven't toasted a bun like this, this is by far my favorite way. Even toast. Melt your butter first, and then put it on there. It just gets it crispier, way crispier. Look at that.
And you're doing yours without anything inside.
Correct. Well, I'm going to have a hot dog in there.
Oh, you know what I mean.
Yes, no jalapenos for this guy.
Because, you could amp this up and do relish or
you don't
onion.
Don't limit yourself to what we got going on here.
Yeah, put the toppings on you like. Dice up some tomato. You could pick a thing. That'd be delicious. Anything on hot dogs and grilled cheese is delicious.
Yes.
Could even add some chili to these bad boys. Okay.
So we've decided that this is just not enough cheese. So let's throw some down here. Let that get all nice and melty. And we're going to flip this back over onto it. Flip our burger or our hot dog onto the cheese.
If you watched us do grilled cheese burritos, which we'll put a link in our comments, that's very similar to that.
Yes. All right. So this is pretty melty. We're just going to do that.
Oh my goodness. Wow, look how good the backs look. Ooh, beautiful.
Ooh, that's hot. Okay, when you start seeing the cheese start to get brown, that means it's going to be a nice crispy layer, and the cheese has enough natural oils in it that it's not going to stick to your Blackstone. Papa! Look at that.
Ooh.
Doesn't that look awesome?
Oh my.
Oh, yeah.
Like a cheesy blanket.
So we do have tomato soup to dip these in, but I'm going to try it just the way it is first.
Ooh, you can hear the crunch.
Mmm. Mmm. Wow. Yeah, crispy bun on both sides. That smoked hot dog is delicious. The Duke's Mayo did an awesome job of toasting the other side of this bun. Dude, these things are awesome. I don't think I'm going to be able to make regular hot dogs anymore.
Oh no.
Oh no. Would you like to give it a try?
Heck yeah.
All right.
Those are delicious.
Yeah. Right?
Oh my gosh. Oh wow.
Yeah. There you go. Grilled cheese hot dogs on the Blackstone here at Coupe to Grill. Do not forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment. It helps grow our channel. Eat, that's what I'm ready for. I'm getting hungry.
Oh.
These hot dogs smell delicious. Have you been smelling them? Look at this thing.
Oh my.
Mm-hmm.
Those look delicious.
That's what I'm saying. All right, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right.
Grill,
You're
I'm
on the
grill.
fence.
I'm not on a fence. I'm on a grill.
All right. So we've got our bun, and we've got it duked.
That does not sound right.
We got it smeared. We've incorporated the mayo into our formed bread. No.
Okay.
All right.
Just cheese everywhere. The dogs are going to be so excited.
I know.